Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off account suggestion notification on Threads on Android. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn off this notification and keep your Threads notifications organized. Threads is a messaging app that allows you to connect with your close friends. It's a great way to stay in touch and share your daily experiences with your inner circle. However, it can be distracting to receive notifications for account suggestions on the app. Fortunately, you can easily turn off this notification on your Android phone. Here are the steps to turn off account suggestion notification on Threads on Android. Step 1. Open Threads app and log in first. Open the Threads app on your Android phone and log into your account. Step 2. Open Settings. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open Settings. Step 3. Access notifications in the Settings menu. Scroll down until you see the Notifications option. Tap on it to access the notifications settings. Step 4. Access following and followers. Under the notifications settings, you'll see the Following and Followers option. Tap on it to access the following and followers settings. Step 5. Turn off account suggestion notification. In the Following and Followers settings, you'll see the Account Suggestion section. Toggle off the switch next to it to turn off the notification. And that's it. You have successfully turned off account suggestion notification on Threads on your Android phone. Keep in mind that turning off this notification means that you won't receive any notifications for account suggestions on Threads. This can help you keep your notifications organized and reduce distractions. It's especially useful if you're trying to focus on work or other activities and don't want to be interrupted by notifications. In conclusion, turning off account suggestion notification on Threads on Android is a simple process that can help you better manage your notifications. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching.